Okay, so umahataw nga si gold, no? So yan, meron tayong ganyang resulta. And isa lang naman yung napansin ko, no? So meron tayong nakikita dyan na swap. And yun yan, 1,200 yung naging swap na from that specific holding, no? So yung ano natin, mga position natin na yan, nag-accumulate ng mga swap, no? Kasi iniwan natin yan overnight, pumosisyon talaga tayo. And ayun nga, medyo malaking kurot din siya, no? So 1,249. And yan nga yung isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit hindi talaga tumutodo ng taas si gold, no? Kasi mataas talaga yung swap fee ngayon. So as compared before, probably last year or the last 2 years, mga 0.30, 0.40 cents lang pag nakabay ka with gold, no? Iniwan mo overnight, it would be 30 cents, no? 40 cents. But right now, it's 90 cents per 0.01 lot size. So isa yan sa mga pwede nating i-consider talaga, no, kapag nagte-trade tayo, yung strategy natin when it comes to the swap fees or the overnight trade. So pwede ka pumosisyon kapag malaki talaga yung account mo, kayang-kaya mong gawin yan. Pero kapag medyo nagsisimula ka pa lang, dapat medyo cautious tayo. And mas maganda kung nagsisimula tayo, we start with the Asian session, no? So para medyo matagal-tagal yung runway natin before the overnight. And yan, so by the way, pag gold pala 5 p.m. ay 5 a.m. yung charging niyan, no? So pagka nabutan ka ng closing ng market at 5 a.m. kasi Monday to Friday nagko-close yan from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. So 1 hour lang naman yung close yan. Then, Saturday, 5 a.m. na yung pinaka-close yan over the weekend. So, pag inabutan ka niyan, 5 a.m. and hindi mo na-close yung mga trades mo, then that's the time that you'll get charged with the swap fee. So, why mataas ang swap fees ngayon is because of the high interest rates with the Fed. So, they're keeping the 3.75 interest rates and yun nga, no, talagang dun talaga napupunta yung funds, yung capital with the strong dollar. So pero ayun nga, if your profit can cover your swap fees, then that's good, that's great, no? So talagang meron pa naman natira. Ayan, so from 5k naging 4,000 kasi merong 1,000 na swap. And ayun nga, pero syempre it's in dollars, medyo masakit yan, no? Medyo may kurot din talaga siya, but still it covers the swap fee, so okay na rin, no? So that's it lang, yun lang, just be mindful of the swap. So pakita ko lang kung ano yung swap fee, no? Okay, so yan sa photo, meron dyan, no, 80 cents. Before, last week yata, it's 90 cents. So, it's in points, no? So, kapag ka-convert mo yan into dollars, it's going to be 80 cents. So, 80 cents for 0.01 lot size. And what if you are using 0.1 lot size? So, that's going to be $8 per overnight trade, no? So, per overnight trade, no? So, what if you have more than one overnight position? So medyo makati na talaga siya, ano. So pero again, yun nga, if your profit can cover your swap fees, then it's okay. And just be mindful na kapag Wednesday or holidays, it's going to be times 3. All right? So Monday times 1 lang yan, 80 cents at 0.01 lot size. Pero pag nag-Wednesday yan, so times 3 nyo lang 80 cents at 0.01 lot size. So that's going to be $2.40, no? So ayun lang. And swap short, it is kapag naiwan mo yung trade mo na nakasell ka. So you're gonna gain. Maggi-gain ka dyan, magkakaroon ka ng additional sa equity mo. Pero hindi siya balance eh. Yung swap short kasi sobrang liit kumpara sa swap long. So medyo palagi naman tayong almost, no, lalo na last year, almost lagi tayo naka long position. So yun lang, just be mindful of the swap fees. So if you want to learn more about forex trading, I encourage you to join our Telegram community. So nandiyan lang yung link niyan sa bahay natin. See you there.